Let's make jerk turkey wings using Divine Cuisine's jerk rub and jerk sauce. So let's get ready to season these jerk turkey wings. So I've already cleaned the turkey, cleaned it, cut it into pieces. So now we're gonna season. So we have salt. Now remember, I have all the measurements on Divine Cuisine's website. We have complete seasoning, seasoned pepper, onion powder, a little bit of that Szechuan seasoning, Szechuan, green seasoning, best ingredient of all, Divine Cuisine's jerk rub, jerk seasoning, jerk rub, Divine Cuisine's jerk rub, jerk seasoning. This is what we're gonna make it do what it do, y'all. It's another way you can use one of our products. I'm gonna put a decent amount of the jerk seasoning in there because I want a little spice, a little kick to it. I also have some Scotch bonnet peppers. A little bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna get our hands dirty. We're gonna put all this together like so. You wanna get all of that seasoning. This would be good if you could marinate it overnight as well. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna cook it. You can smell it. It smells nice and good and yummy. And you preheat your oven at 350. It's gonna take about 2 hours. But we'll go step by step so you guys know what to do. This is another way if you don't want to do a whole turkey. You know, you can do jerk turkey wings. Why not? Just another way. Thanksgiving is getting close by. It'll be a good thing to do. So now they look nice and seasoned. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna transfer them to a baking dish. Cube here. You can do vegetable or chicken. That's a chicken bouillon cube, but you can use vegetable. We have a little bit of the Divine Cuisine jerk sauce. Divine Cuisine jerk sauce. So we're gonna put that, base that in a pan. And we're gonna put some water, and this is gonna be at the bottom of the roasting pan. Stir this up a little bit. And you could boil it to get the bouillon cube all dissolved in this, or you can use chicken stock or vegetable stock. So just a little bit of that. So then I'm gonna take my pot or my baking pan. Let me get some gloves. Take our baking pan. And we're gonna lay our turkey wings in here like so. And then we're gonna take that jerk sauce water. We're gonna pour some of that at the bottom of the dish, like so. We're gonna put foil on it and we're gonna bake it at 350 for 1 hour. For the first 1 hour. y'all. So I've just taken, it's just been in the oven. The jerk turkey wings have been in the oven for about an hour at 350. So they're doing pretty well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some peppers on top. So we have a mixture of orange, yellow, and red peppers. We're just gonna put those on top, let them kind of cook in. We have about another hour to go on this. And then I have some green peppers and jalapeno peppers mixture. Those on there as well to cook in. They smell good and they look good so far, y'all. And I have some red onion. So red onion, we're gonna so I have it on 375, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on for 30 minutes, and then the last 30 minutes we're gonna up the heat again. And then we're gonna take it off so it can kind of get a little bit of that, you know, crisp and real golden, you know, dark brown. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the foil back on, and I've got the oven to 375. Put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes, and then we'll take it off again. We'll baste the turkey wings, and then we'll put them on for another 30 minutes. So I'm getting ready. We just finished making the jerk turkey wings using Divine Cuisine's jerk sauce, and Divine Cuisine's jerk rub. So I'm excited to go in and taste these turkey wings. Put one on my plate. I'm gonna get a little bit of juices here to put on my turkey wing. I made some rice and peas. Put those on the plate as well. And get another, I have 2 on here. 2 of the wings, y'all. And this was simple. We used the jerk rub, the jerk sauce for some of the gravy or sauce that you want to call it. Put some peppers on here, a little bit of seasoning. Baked it for about 2 hours. I'm gonna put a little gravy on your rice and peas. You make your little salad. And now I'm gonna go in and dig in. Try this. How tender that is. With the peppers. It's good, y'all. Tim. 10 out of 10. It's spicy, it's sweet because it got a little sweet to it from the jerk sauce, has a little tamarind in it. And then you got those peppers on top. You got that kick from that jerk rub, and then we put a little extra habanero peppers in there. And then we put this as like our base, the jerk sauce. Remember I did that with the water, a little bit of this, and a bouillon cube. Very good, easy, season everything up, put it in there for 2 hours. This is a different way if you wanna go island style for Thanksgiving, or just other ways to make jerk turkey wings. A must make. To get the full recipe, go to divinecuisine.com. The jerk rub and the jerk sauce, I'm on Amazon, or you can go to my website at divinecuisine.com. TikTok fam, you can go to the TikTok shop or click the link in the bio to go ahead and go to my website. Love Love y'all, Chef Shay.